In an era of cost-cutting and cheap fixes, it's good to know some people still value quality. They take pride in their vehicles and don't settle for good enough. For more than 40 years, Amsoil has done the same. We formulate synthetic lubricants that raise the bar for quality. Amsoil ran the American Society for Testing of Materials D6891 engine test, the gold standard of motor oil protection. The oil was installed in a Nissan KA24E 2.4-liter engine. The test, conducted by an independent third-party lab, is designed to stress the oil's ability to protect against wear and simulates 100 hours of stop-and-go driving. At the end of the test, the camshaft is evaluated in 84 places to measure overall wear. Signature Series shields your automobile with 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear than required by the industry standard engine test, extending the life of vital components like pistons and cams. We put as much effort into testing our motor oil as you put into your vehicle. Amsoil, devoted to protection.